Howdy folks, we're going to be doing some picking here, see what we can pick today. I feel a little sprinkle. They said it's supposed to rain. I don't think it's going to rain. Okay, this tundra, we're starting about the watermelon here. This tundra is already done. See how brown it is? I don't know if you can see that. It's all brown. So we're going to cut this off. It's a little bitty watermelon. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's split down there. Man, I don't know what to do about that. Anyway, I'll see what happens. We're going to pick some tomatoes down here. This one down here. Yeah, we're picking that. Anything else? I don't see nothing else down here. Yeah, I let this thing go wild. Let me see if we got any pepperoncini to pick. Yeah, we'll take this one here. See that? And we'll take this one here. They're not real big. I'll pick them anyway. Oh. I didn't water everything today. I only watered the garden area because it's pretty dry. We haven't had hardly any rain this month. And in a couple of days, they said it's going to start getting cold in a few more days. And I'm going to try to cover and save as much as I can. We're going to get rid of all this red stuff. Should get rid of this whole plant here, actually. And see what else we got here. We got a bunch of yellow peppers here. Yep. See what I can pick over here. Oh, just flipped out my hand, hit that cage. See what we got here. Wish they'd be better, bigger. You know, this thing just, these red ones are just sucking the life out of this plant. I'm going to trim these off. I'm not going to do one by one. I just trim the whole thing off. This one too. They're not any good anyway. They're just sucking the life out of these peppers. So we're going to trim these here. See what else we got here. Nothing else too big to pick. Little beady old things. Maybe I'll take these two here. Okay. And any jalapeno peppers? We got a bunch on here. Small ones. Got to be careful with these limbs now during this time of the month. What is this? This is Wednesday, October 25th. So there's a big one here. Yeah, it's funny shape though. And it's pretty warm out. I'm in short sleeve right now. Let's see what the temperature is. Yeah. Temperature is 65 Fahrenheit, 52% humidity. These peppers usually hide on me. Let's see what you got over here. Yeah, here's a big one here. This plant. Oh, here's another big one. And here's another one. We got about 4 jars of sliced jalapenos. And we got a bunch of frozen, couple bags of gallon bags, I think, of sliced jalapenos frozen. We're gonna pick that little red one there. We're gonna pick this little red one here. Tomatoes. Trying to see, is there any more jalapenos hiding on me? Not really. Oh well. Anyway, we're gonna cover this up. We're supposed to get a frost warning, I think, a freeze warning in a few more days. We're gonna cover this up. Keep that pepper on there for now. Okay, here's some little grape tomato, cherry tomato. Oh, they're actually grape tomato. Just that little one's a grape, but it's just not big enough. Okay. You know, I'm gonna pick this one here too, this jalapeno pepper. See what we got here. Okay. Now we're at the cherry and grape tomatoes. Yeah. These are little beady old things. I'm gonna pick them anyway. This one I'm gonna get rid of. Oh, here's one here. Right there. And there'll be some mist too. Try not to though. Look at these bogeys. Woo-hoo. Oh, here's some in here. Right here. Okay. We got zucchini right there. This one here is turning yellow. We might lose that one. But Shelly says she's been trying to pull the flowers off them as soon as she could. So we might have one zucchini out of this instead of 2 or 3. We'll do better next year. The onions, since I've been watering them a lot, they're popping up now because we thought we lost those. Probably will lose them though by the time we get to them. Anyway, let's come over here. There's some big old green beef steak. Ooh, those nasty looking things. Let's see. Another one down there. Let's see what we got here. Pick these jalapenos here. This one. This one. This one here. Don't see any more. Okay. That's what I got so far. Oh, what I see red over here. It's not too big tomato, you know. Oh well. And I saw something else in here too. Oh, down here. Way down in here. There you go. See, when they're orange, I pick them anyway. Otherwise, I'll lose them. I'd rather have them small than lose them. There's another one down here too. Oh, shit. Oh, see, look at that. That got a hole in it. I'm throwing that one away. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Got a lot of green tomatoes. Oh, here's the big pepper. There's a big pepper there. And, oh, here's another one. I don't think I noticed any bugs eating the yellow peppers. They're so darn hot. You know. big one in here. A little red one down there too. Get rid of those things. There's a sucking the life out of my peppers. And I noticed when I was watering, I got a big sweet green pepper here. That's the biggest sweet pepper ever had so far. Let's see. That's about it for that. See, these are supposed to be bell peppers here. They're not doing so well. Okay, I gotta do more research on those. Here's a tomato here. Yeah. Oh, I don't see nothing here. I hate these tomatoes. I ain't buying those again. See, there's one down here. Yeah, I'll go ahead and pick that. It'll change. And that's all I got so far. Raspberry, was getting some raspberries when I've been watering them heavy. Now they're dying off. We've been having some cold nights. Not lately, but the last few days before. Okay. Let's run over to the strawberries. Okay, we're at the strawberries now. I was going to do this with a drone, but Shirley got another drone she bought too, a DJI, and we're having so much trouble with that thing. Yeah. So I decided just to do my camera here. My 360, Insta 360, I hope it works. Process it. Okay, we got 2 strawberries here. Yeah, I don't see nothing else. Okay, now let's go over here. Now these are the one I transplanted, but look like I'm gonna be clipping some leaves. They're starting to turn purple. They were looking pretty good for a while. So I'm gonna trim some bad stuff off of here. Like this one here. This one here. I hope they make it. This one here. This one here. I think got that one too deep. Okay, we got our runner here that's about to start right here. Let me put this cage back on. See what we got over here. See, I kept these in that small container because we made this cage for both of these in the first place. Okay. Cut that one off. Nice big one. Yeah. That's all I got on that one. Let's see. Small one. There's one down here. Oh, that was fell on the ground. Oh, bad leaf. Get rid of that. There's another one here. Trying to find this bad leaf stem here. I think it's right here. There's another one down there too. We got some weeds in here. Man, these weeds must fly in the air. Okay, those other strawberries I'll keep on there. Keep that one on there too. I need to pick this one up I dropped. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for the strawberries. Soil was a little moist, but I went ahead and water them anyway. Okay. Now let's run up in the house. Okay, now.
Wow.
This is what I have left. We've been taking tomatoes off here when using for food. And let me put this over here. I want this right here. So I picked that watermelon. These I can move out of the way now because they're done. There's that one there and that one there. We're going to put that one there. There's that pepper. Jalapenos. Okay, strawberries. Strawberries. Yellow peppers. Okay, yellow peppers. Put that one there. That one there. Put that one there. This one's good. These are pretty good. Put that one there. That one's good. Okay. Put this one right here. Yellow peppers. Pepperoncinis. Okay, strawberries, pepperoncinis, jalapenos, sweet pepper, yellow peppers, yellow jalapenos. And this is what I got now. I'm going to show you a picture from last time I picked compared to this. And like I said, we usually take stuff here before we take them out of the fridge. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back. Until next time.